We got something.
You making noise.
You see it right there?
Yeah, I see it.
You're making noise, so I know you're here right now.
Almost look like a person.
Almost.
Okay, that's enough for me.
You right, dude?
Yeah, you know what?
What's up?
Okay, we heard your noise. Will you say your name? We are not here to hurt you. We are your
There's a
friends.
car.
There's something there.
Yeah.
You know what? If you don't make a noise, we think you're a fucking punk. That's what we're thinking. And if you got any kind of ghost balls or whatever the fuck you got, ectoplasma, I seen Ghostbusters, I don't think you're gonna do shit. Can we hear a noise?
Where's my boyfriend at? Where'd he go?
Yeah, right.
Huh?
Let me hear your name.
What the fuck is that?
Listen, there was noise.
There's something right there. See where mine is?
There's a tree right there, but
There's something behind it. Just move it. Hey. You see it?
yeah.
Right there. What the hell is that?